Got the car pretty much packed up. Just gotta grab the bike, a few more odds and ends, and the trip is ready to begin. Let's go drive 2 hours to a dispersed camping place. Oh yeah. Got the permit, all signed up for the campsite, and ready to rock and roll. Just gonna go to the scenic overlook over here. Pretty cool, but I'm really itching to get to the campsite, get set up, and cook some food, getting pretty hungry. And I think I might try to also do a bike ride today. Made it to camp, and quite nice, quite peaceful and secluded. Just beautiful, again with the fall foliage as well. Very simple and quick, but I'm really looking forward to this. Quite a few gnats out right now. That's okay. I really want to take this bike for a spin. Perfect dirt paths, so let's do it. Gonna get my bedroom set up for the night. Decided to sleep in here for the 2 nights I'm out here. One of the best things I ever bought. So easy to use. I always scooch my seat forward. It gives me a little extra head clearance, but yeah, that's great. It's hot, guys. It's quite hot. Bought these off Amazon for a couple bucks, and really excited to use it. When I was out west and I stayed in my car a few times, got pretty hot and stuffy with no airflow, or very minimal airflow if there were a ton of bugs outside, or just really couldn't crack them because it was maybe pouring down rain, so it was limited. So I bought these screens. You just throw them over the window, allows for awesome airflow. Just like that. Should have dug this hole last night. This is my bathroom with a Nice view. I mean, overlooking a beautiful ravine. It's really nice. Nothing like a good hot cup of coffee in the morning by a campsite. Alright, made up a little protein yogurt bowl. So gonna put this down the hatch, relax for a bit, and then go hit the bike path. Hoping to get as many miles as I can on the path. And if I'm feeling good, I'm gonna keep going. And then gonna come back to camp, light up a big fire, cook up a good meal. Let's embark on this biking journey. I'm gonna go as far as I can. I've got a little bit of mango, some water. Let's do it. And we're off on the C&O Canal path. Really cool bike path, running path, walking path, whatever it may be for you. But a beautifully located trail right by the Potomac River for a large section of it, and just absolutely beautiful. That's cool. Oh no. So I thought you could drink out of these water taps along the trail. Apparently not. So all I have is about 25 ounces of water with me, hoping I pass through a small town or a rest area where I can grab a water somewhere. But if not, I'll be rationing this. Super cool looking cave type thing. Who knows what that was used for back in the day. Right at the halfway point. So having some water, gonna eat this dried mango and then do the 15 miles back to the car. Never tasted so good. Sustenance, sugar. Ooh, I'm feeling pretty tired. But beautiful trail. Absolutely gorgeous. Mile 23, and not gonna lie, I'm hurting. My butt's sore from this bike seat and very low in calories and water. I've got 4.5 miles left to the car. I'm running on fumes right now. So close! Oh, I think I see the parking lot. Thank goodness. Oh yes. 30 miles. Let's hydrate. Let's eat. Gonna put some of this down the hatch. Cookie, blueberries, hydration drink. Not gonna lie, I'm moving a bit slow right now. That bike ride took it out of me. Feeling really tired, so I've got myself a little fire going and sitting by there, reading my book, relaxing, recharging, and probably gonna do that for the next 2 hours until dinner time, which I am making something fun tonight, so stick around. Gonna make some food for dinner. I am famished. So first, gotta whip up some burger sauce. I think the goal is to do like a Big Mac taco. So these Aussie guys I follow on YouTube did it for their off-roading trip. Basically you have tortillas, and then you put the meat on it when it's raw on the tortilla, slap it down in the pan and cook it, and then just drizzle it with some Big Mac sauce, lettuce, and should be good. Mayonnaise as a good base, a little Grey Poupon mustard, ketchup, and seasoning. Got some pickles chopped, a little bit of honey for sweetness. Got the smoked paprika and cayenne in there. Yeah, looking good. So what you do is you place it on there and then smash it down, almost like a burger patty. And there's already flies around, wonderful. Nice and thin, so that way it cooks quickly. Just in the pan like this. Got the first one going. Got my ingredients lined up. I got the burger sauce right there. Cheese and tomato under there. And then the round 2 tortilla. Guess I'll toss that up there actually. And then lettuce too. Oh, there you have it. Put a little cheese on there. Just like so. Bit of tomato. Chuck them on there. I don't mind a heap. Ooh, a little crispy, crunchy. You just kind of wrap it up like so and dive in. Look at that. Oh, yeah, that's good. I feel reborn. Not only did I get food in the system, feeling great, I also just went to war with those black flies in there. I'm not kidding you, probably had 15 in the car. Just spent about 10 minutes fighting them and finally got, I think, all the flies out. So that way when I'm sleeping in there tonight, you know, I don't have them crawling in my mouth or something. So feeling very happy. Gonna sit back by the fire now, tend the fire, get it roaring again, and read my book. I am exhausted, so I'm gonna hit the hay. Good night. It's cold. It's always tough to get up when you're under your blankets all toasty and cozy. Looks like a beautiful morning, so let's get up. I slept great. Wow, beautiful. Little sliver of moon. Breakfast is served. A little bit of a protein yogurt bowl right here. Gonna put this down the hatch, break down camp soon, and head on home. Got the trash packed up, everything's in the car. Let's go. Alright, I'm back home from the trip, and it was an awesome one. I really hope all of you enjoyed it. If you did, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Definitely helps to grow the channel that we have here. I post new videos every single Saturday. So until next week, take care, have a good one, enjoy life.
If you liked that video, make sure to check out my YouTube channel where I have a ton of videos just like this one. Hiking, camping, cooking delicious meals, and having fun. If you want to see my newest adventures, make sure to click subscribe and hit the bell, and you'll get notified next time I post.